might be free to. Ooh, that needs to go down a little bit. Ooh, there you go. Perfect. I hope you know exactly where your towels are. I might need a towel because my face is looking pretty red here. I don't know what the deal with that is, but, wait, maybe it's because I'm not wearing my glasses. Ah. Nope, it still looks red. I guess this camera is just terrible. If you see this, I got this for my birthday. I forgot to mention that in my other video, but, it's, Gear Fit 2, I think, and it is awesome. It's really helped me count my steps, and I wasn't gonna do a video for today, but guess what? This came in the mail. I'm not even sure what it is. It's from Sopost, so, and it has my name on it, so that's cool. Let's see, how do you open this? And it looks like it's coming from a company called First Aid Beauty. I'm not sure what that's about, but anyway, it's a cute little chubby. If I can open it. Oh! And it comes in a cute little tube. Look at that. It's so cute and wee. I like it. See, open it. Oh, and it has a safety seal. It's always a good thing. But, let's see, what is this? Natural luminous finish. Oh, it's just a tinted moisturizer. I'm not sure how this came to me, but thank you. I will definitely try this out. No safety seal gone. Alright, let's try this on the hand. Ooh. That is very tinted. Hand is not that red, I swear. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Okay, let's... Ooh, that feels nice. And honestly, I can't really see the tint in this camera. Probably gonna have to get to the bathroom for the extra super bright light to see if it looks redonkulous. But if it doesn't, I will definitely be using this on my face and try and hunt it down. So anyway, it is by First Aid Beauty, and it is not for sensitive skin, non-comedogenic. That's something that I'm gonna have to look up because I'm not sure exactly what that means, but whatever it means. And there's a bunch of really tiny print that I can't read. Let's see, allergy tested. Oh, well, that's good. I guess I should have thought of that before I started rubbing it on my skin. But no artificial fragrance. Yeah, I didn't notice a fragrance. It's like just kind of like a basic cream, but my hand feels really nice. So if you're in the look of a moisturizer that just appeared in my mailbox, then this might be a good one to try. Cool. Let's see, what else was I gonna do? Because there were a couple of the things that I forgot in yesterday's video. A BoxyCharm should be here next Monday, but FedEx is kind of wacky, so it might not be. You never know. FedEx just kind of does its own thing. And I was basically put on the list for BoxyLux, but I will not be getting it because we really need to get to computer. Okay, that's about all I have, I think. Have a fruity day.